Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at our 2009 Toyota Venza. Stock number is 18G568A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dualer tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. This Venza is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio and cruise controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Toyota on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.